Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you guys how to copy text from image on your iPhone. So if it's the first time visiting our channel, please make sure you subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. So guys, let's say you take a snapshot of a photo and you see and you want to copy the text on that photo. The first thing is that you simply need to open your gallery and simply choose the photo in which you took the snapshot. So let's say this one. So guys, once you're there, you simply need to click on this live icon down here. So guys, once you're done with that, you simply need to highlight. So you choose on what all, or you can simply customize. Click on all, after which you simply need to copy this. After copying it, you can decide to deposit on a notepad. Okay, paste. So guys, that's actually the way you copy a text from image on your iPhone.